Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Loka Seva Gurukulam free online classes. Okay, how are you all? Fine? Okay, get ready with your pen and book. So, we are in a very interesting chapter. Is it not? What is it called? Acids, bases and salts. Come on, repeat. Acids, bases and salts. And let us just recall what you have seen in the previous class. Okay. So, first thing is difference between acids and bases. Come on, can you try? Yes, acids are sour to taste and bases are bitter to taste. Acids turn blue litmus red, bases turn red litmus blue. Okay, and also we have seen about indicators and their roles. So, what are indicators? They are the substances which identifies or which indicates whether the solution is acid or a base or a salt or neutral solution. Is it not? Can you give example of indicators? Yes, it is litmus. And if you add a blue litmus solution to acid, it becomes red. If you add a red litmus solution to base, it becomes blue. So, that is how the indicators are made use of. Okay. And also we have seen in daily life. Can you name some acids of daily life? Yes, it is lemon. What else? Buttermilk, or you say in curd also. Then tamarind, is it not? And also one famous one is vinegar, acetic acid. And coming to bases, we have caustic soda that is used in soaps. You have what is called baking soda that is used in the kitchens for cooking purpose. And also you have salts. Salts, the most common salt what you have. Then you have some other salts like acetates, sodium acetate, calcium acetate and so on. So, common salt is very, very important. For all the dishes, salt is compulsory except sweets, correct? So, also we have studied about the acids present in our body. What are the acids we have? We have got amino acids. How are amino acids produced? They are from the digestion of proteins. They become amino acid. Even there is a dilute hydrochloric acid in the stomach, correct? So, these are the things which we are using daily or which are come across in our daily life. Coming to home assignment, first question, difference between acid and bases, just now we discussed. Acids are sour to taste, bases are bitter to taste. You can note down the points if you are not understood. Acid turn blue litmus red, bases turn red litmus blue. Very simple. And second question is the distilled water acidic or basic or neutral? Have you seen distilled water anywhere? Yes, those who know riding, vehicles, of course you are not having license, don't ride vehicles except bicycle. But if you are using two-wheelers like scooter, bike, etc., you go to petrol bunk, is it? In petrol bunk you will have two counters, one for diesel, another for petrol. Also they will sell what is called as distilled water. Why it is used? That is not for scooter or bike. It is used for vehicles, four-wheelers like car, tractor, lorry, bus and so on. They use distilled water there. So there you can get. Okay. So how do you verify it? Whether it is acid or a base? How do you verify it? Distilled water is neutral in nature. Neutral means what? Neither acidic nor basic. Then you have neutral. Is it not? And this can be verified by using red litmus and also blue litmus. If you put red litmus to your distilled water, it remains red only. Similarly, if you just immerse this blue litmus paper, it will be blue only, no change in color. What does it show? It shows that this distilled water is neither acidic nor basic in nature. So it does not change the color of the litmus paper. What is litmus? Litmus is an indicator. It is obtained from a plant called, come on, anybody? Lichens. Correct? So that is the answer for that question. One more question. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? So it remains blue means what? A solution which does not change the color of the blue litmus can be either basic or neutral. Because in acid, blue becomes red. Here the question is, blue will not change, it remains as blue only. So it may be either base or neutral. So how to test it? So nature of the solution can be obtained by adding a few drops of it on red litmus paper. So red litmus paper, if you put, what happens? If the color of the red litmus changes to blue, then the solution is basic in nature. If there is no color change, it is observed that the solution is neutral. So just repetition what is told, okay. So if red changes to blue, it is basic. If red remains red only, then we call it as neutral, okay. So that is the answer for that. You can just go through it, okay. Coming to topics for today. Come on, sit straight, give a smile, okay. Okay, today's topic. First one, there is an activity on testing the acidity of substances. Second one, acids and bases. Thirdly, we study about some more indicators, okay. So these are the things we have to discuss in a few minutes, right? So one by one we'll go. Ready? Okay. Some water is to be mixed with lemon juice on a plastic tumbler. You can try yourself. Will you do it? How many know preparation of juice? Of course, you know how to drink juice. Preparation, the mother will do, right? But you also can try. You also must be helpful to your mother in preparing coffee, tea, juice, etc. How many will do it? Raise your hands. Okay, you have to help now. Yes. So first prepare some lemon juice in a plastic tumbler. It need not be plastic, it may be steel also. Plastic actually is not so good for health. So better you have steel tumbler. Introduce a blue litmus paper into it. What do you observe? Okay, we observe that the blue litmus changes to red color. What does it show? It shows that it is acid. Why it changes color? Can you tell me? Yeah, because lemon juice you have taken. What the lemon juice contains? It contains acid. What is the nature of acid? It changes blue to red. So that is acidic nature. Similarly, if you take some milk of magnesia solution and add 2-3 drops of red litmus, it turns to blue. What do you mean milk of magnesia? There is nothing but magnesium hydroxide. Have you seen that milk of magnesia? Yeah. Milk of magnesia means when you have some acid problems. When you have some acid problem, they give this milk of magnesia, just like milk it is. That is why the name milk of magnesia. So its full name is, you can note down this, magnesium why it is called milk? Color is white, that is why milk. It is not milk actually. It is a medicine actually. So here if you add 2-3 drops of red litmus solution, it turns into blue. You can take paper also, there is no issue. You can take paper also, red litmus paper, it becomes blue. In the first case, blue turns to red. The second case, red turns to blue. Okay. So that is what we have seen. What about neutral solutions? Neutral means what? Neither acidic nor basic. The water you drink is a neutral. Distilled water is neutral. The solutions which do not change the color of the either red or blue litmus are known as neutral solutions. Neutral, steady. Okay, some boys will be there or girls also. They will not be upset. Suppose somebody praises you, you are a very good cricketer, a very good singer, very good dancer, like that. Some will be bloated up. And suppose somebody scolds you, you are a useless fellow, you are nonsense, you are shouting, howling like that. Then they will also not be perturbed. Neutral. Neutral means they will not be upset by scolding or by praising. Okay, you will be like that? Okay. So like that, just as the water, pure water, drinking water is neutral. So these substances neither acidic nor basic. They will be tasty. The water you drink, it is neither sour nor bitter, correct? It is tasty. So, for example, sugar solution, common salt solution. Common salt solution is not, it is it is a salty in nature, okay. But both of these do not change any color of the litmus or indicators. Now let us see some two interesting natural indicators. You can also try with that, okay. First one is turmeric powder. How many have seen turmeric powder? You have seen turmeric, yellow color. You powder it, it becomes turmeric powder. Okay. So it is also a very good indicator. And here is an activity, preparation of greeting card. When do you give greeting cards? For birthdays, correct? Then what? For Happy New Year, correct? For New Year's, we will give the greeting cards, correct? So you can prepare your own greeting card. How? Tablespoon of turmeric powder is taken, little water is added to make a paste. So here 1 spoon of turmeric powder is added to water, make like a paste. You can also try today. Will you do it? Okay. This paste is to be applied on a sheet of plain white paper and dried. So take a white paper, of course you can take a design paper also, white only, some design paper because it is a greeting. So on that what you do, with the help of a cotton bud, a beautiful flower is to be drawn with the soap solution. So take some soap solution. Where do you get soap solution? If you have a washing machine, you get soap solution, na? Or you can add some soap powder and stir it in water, it becomes soap solution. Okay. So this is called cotton bud. Why it is used? Yeah, to clean the ears. Is it not? Have seen it? Yeah, okay. Cotton bud, a beautiful flower is to be drawn. How many of you know drawing? Oh, very good. So most of you know drawing. Okay. So then you can do designs here. Flower design, wheel design, or some butterfly, all those designs you can do. And then what you must do? So soap, with the help of a cotton bud, a beautiful flower is drawn with the soap solution. So with soap solution you do it. Now you will get a beautiful greeting card. Okay. So this is all the thing, and you can have a cover for that. And if you have a cover, and you can write the name of the person to whom to be given. Okay. Turmeric solution gives a yellow color with acid, and neutral solution a red color. So why it is called indicator? Because in acid medium it will be yellow in color, means as it is. In basic medium it changes to red color. That is how the greeting cards are made. Okay. So here what is the base here? Soap solution is a basic solution. So this indicator, if you add it, then it changes the color. So you get a beautiful colors. Okay. So don't forget, turmeric powder is one of the indicators which is yellow in acid medium and red in basic medium. Can you try that today? Okay. Now coming to second activity. See this beautiful flower. Especially girls, they will be attracted to see flowers. They can't keep quiet when they see the flowers. Is it not? When you go to a garden, they will not appreciate unless they pluck it and keep it on their hair, correct? So you should not do that. It's all God's creation. You should enjoy. Only for puja purpose you can draw or you can get some flowers. So this is called rose, China rose. Why it is called China rose? Not India rose or some other rose. There is a name given. So it's also called gudal. So some petals are collected and placed in a beaker. And you take a beaker. What is beaker? The glass vessel. Some petals of this China rose, also called in Kannada as dasavada. Okay. So you have to take it and you have to put some warm water. In a beaker you must take some petals. You have to add some warm water. Why warm water? Because it dissolves. So then what do you get? The mixture is to be kept for some time till the water becomes colored. So water which consists of this China rose becomes colored. This colored water is used as an indicator. Okay. So that's all about the second type of indicator. What is the first type? Yeah, turmeric powder. Second one, China rose. Third one, litmus. Okay. So, this is the acid medium, this is the basic medium, this is the indicator. So, this is China rose. So, this will be the color. Okay. Now, after knowing how it is prepared, let us see what happens. So, a few drops of the above indicator are added to acidic, basic and neutral solutions. So, what is this apparatus called? It is called test tube, is it not? Take little, say about 10 ml of acid here, acid solution. How do you get acid solution? Say lemon solution or lemon or tamarind solution or buttermilk also you can take. And basic means what? Lime water, best is lime water, calcium hydroxide. So, lime water take. So, take some this indicator, namely China rose. Okay. So, what you do? China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink. So, when you add to acid, it changes to magenta. Come on, repeat. Magenta. MA, sometimes they use Z also, sometimes they use G also. Magenta. And basic solution to green. So, for basic solution, it becomes green color. Acid solution, it is magenta. Okay. Only when I add this China rose indicator, I had only few drops, not much, 1 or 2 drops is enough. You can try yourself, that is why this activity is given. Will you do that? Those who have flowers, of course, you should have this flower in your garden. How many have the habit of looking after garden? Come on, raise your hands. Yeah, at least put some water to the plants. They are also like us, no? They also need food, they also need water, sunshine and all. Sunshine, of course, God gives everything. Water, we have to put it. Correct? So, that gives beautiful flowers. And some of them flowers will convert into, what you call fruits. Correct? So, that is observation. Testing of common substances with the 2 natural indicators. What are the indicators? Turmeric solution, China rose. You can also try yourself and verify whether it is true or not. Okay. For example, shampoo. How many are using shampoo? Better not use. But nowadays it has become crazy. Whatever the TV shows, that is ultimate, they fail. Actually, shampoos are not good. But those who have got lot of greasy hair, oil hair, they will use shampoo. That will be acidic in nature. So, turmeric solution becomes yellow in color, means color remains same. In case of China rose, it becomes dark pink. Other name? Magenta. Lemon juice, acidic, no changing color, yellow only. China rose will give dark pink. Soda water. How do you get soda water? Soda water, anything but taking some lime. Lime and not lime, you can take some what you call chunam. Okay. Calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide, what you available in the market. Put some water to it and then it becomes soda water. With turmeric solution, it gives red color because it is a base. And with China rose, it gives green color. Baking soda, again that is basic in nature. Turmeric solution gives red. China rose gives green. Note down, note down. In the book, the table is there. That only, but this is not filled up. You have to write down. Okay. Vinegar, acidic in nature. What is the name of the vinegar? Acetic acid. If you don't know, you note down. The other day I told about it. It is called acetic acid. Acetic acid solution is known as vinegar. That is used for some juice and some special kind of drinks. It is yellow in color because it is acid, and with China rose it gives dark pink or magenta color. Sugar solution, there is no change, it is neutral. So yellow becomes yellow only. Turmeric is yellow in nature, no change. And that also no change. China rose color only remains. And common salt solution, yellow only because it is neutral. And China rose also no change in color, it will be rose color. Understood? So note down this table. Okay. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? Second, name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? You will do that? Okay, third question. Dorji, name of a boy. A few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant. Say, he has a restaurant, hotel. So he has some soft drinks. Unfortunately, these are not labeled. Label is not put. Okay. So restaurant means hotel. That is another way of calling it. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. The customers are asking, give some soft drinks. So he wants to test whether it is acidic or basic or neutral. You want to test it. So how will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? There are different kinds of bottles containing solutions. So he has to give to the customers how it can be tested. It is called understanding question. It's a little tricky question, but you can, if you know the knowledge of the acid, bases and salts and indicators, you can make out. Okay, try to answer this. Now let us see what Bhagavan Baba says. See the beautiful form of Bhagavan Baba. So God is like sweet like ice cream, soft like ice cream, cool like ice cream. So what does he do? He gives joy. What is joy? Name of ice cream. Okay, so he gives joy to one and all. He is always happy and make others happy. Okay, so for the small kids now, it is easy understood. Who is God? He cannot say Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. He can't understand. So they will understand easily when ice cream is ice cream is given to them. They understand. So God also like that only. Okay. So come prepared for the home assignment. Thank you.